Hestan refrigerator model KRCR30OV error codes. Hestan 30-inch counter-depth refrigerator column with 17.45 cubic feet capacity, 3 glass shelves, right hinge, adjustable shelves, even flow air circulating technology, antimicrobial ever crisp D error codes. Code: power failure. Problem: prolonged interruption of electrical power. The appliance resumes operation automatically. The display shows the warmest temperatures achieved. Code: door fridge open, fridge door open. Problem: the message appears after a few minutes from the door opening. Code: fresh zone open. Problem: fresh zone drawer open. The message appears after a few minutes from the drawer opening. Code: replace filter. Problem: replace filter cartridge. Message appears when only 30% of LTER capacity is left. Code: fridge too warm. Problem: fridge too warm. Code: fridge too cold. Problem: fridge too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: fresh too warm. Problem: fresh zone compartment too warm. Code: fresh too cold. Problem: fresh zone compartment too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: fresh zone too warm. Problem: freezer too warm. Code: fresh zone too cold. Problem: freezer too cold. Wait for 12 hours. Code: error code.